This is one of my projects. Just finishing up with. Coming down here. I want to get a run over. Great. Shows you, yeah, we dug this out. This is going to be retention pond. See right here, they put the geogrid in. They run this all the way back about 9 feet, compact the dirt on top of it. There's a little area of gravel that goes down in between the block and the dirt with a fiber felt, so that any water is not going to have any hydrostatic buildup. Look at this, really looks like a good job though. There's my guys, our workers over here. Take a little look at this. Yeah, pretty good sized job. This is a commercial project. And by the way, this thing it just went up in perfect timing. We're on schedule to be completed with this job tomorrow. It's over here by the medical center, the medical district. So yeah, this thing's gonna apparently fill full of water. All the water from this project is gonna drain in through this big gigantic tube there into here, and this is gonna fill up with water. So there you go. That's it. So what this guy does, again, here's the geogrid right here. You can see my silhouette. You got to wear a hard hat and vest out here. And the guys are doing a great job, man. Right here, they're just compacting everything.